Vertigo is the sensation that the room is spinning around you. Sometimes it's a little hard to differentiate from dizziness. Dizziness and vertigo are often used interchangeably. Dizziness, though, typically is more kind of the lightheaded sensation. When you stand up too quick, you get that head rush. You know, that's usually more of a dizzy sensation. Vertigo is the actual sensation that you're looking at the room and it's moving. It's spinning around you.
Sounds scary.
It is kind of a scary thing. And it can be triggered by a couple things. I mean, what's one thing that can trigger vertigo?
Well, one common one, the most common one, is the little otolithic crystals. These little crystals we have, they're almost like, if you really look at the consistency and how big they really are, it's almost like the consistency of sand. So they're pretty small. So we say crystals, but they're not like this big thing. They're very teeny small pebbles, and they can become dislodged or put in a place that they shouldn't be in. And when they are in a canal with fluid where they're not supposed to be, they cause the fluid to move too quickly. And so when you get up out of bed and you have this big push of fluid that happens quickly, it sends a signal that's kind of an error, like an air signal to your brain, and your brain doesn't know what to do with it, so it tries to keep up by moving your eyes, and so it causes your eyes to move quick. And when your eyeballs are doing this, your world is spinning. And so the little crystals can be a very common type of vertigo that people feel, that it's just a quick, robust sensation of movement, like something's not right, and usually after about 5 to 15 seconds, it's usually pretty quick, it goes away. So that's probably the most common one.